Here in 2025, Wolf has listened to clients and the trade community alike and introduced their brand new 48-inch professional induction range. It comes equipped with their similar aesthetics you're familiar with from Wolf that include their pro handle, LED lit bezels, red knobs, and more. The 48-inch professional range models offer two different cavity sizes, a 30-inch and an 18, for additional capacity and versatility. In addition to classic stainless steel, the Pro induction ranges are available in white and black options in a matte powder-coated finish. These are available to purchase separately as a color door accessory kit. In addition to the classic Wolf Red, there are 4 other knob finishes and 2 bezel colors for 10 total combinations. The knobs you get red, black, brushed stainless, brushed gray, brushed brass, and the bezel colors you either get brushed stainless or brushed brass. And good news, if you're looking for a smaller size, Wolf has brought the same professional aesthetics to the 30 and 36-inch sizes to their induction range lineup. Great functional features you'll notice too when looking at the range are the square cooking zones, which are going to make it easier to center your cookware. This subtle aesthetic improvement matches the overall refreshed, minimalistic look from the induction range. The top itself is a scratch-resistant ceramic glass surface that offers consistent, precise temperature control and nearly instantaneous temperature adjustment response. And that flat glass surface cools down quickly, preventing spills and splatters from burning on. In the 48-inch induction range, you'll have the most cooking space. The 48-inch professional induction range has a generous cooking surface featuring 7 independent zones, along with 2 bridging options. Included in the new Pro 48-inch ranges and all Wolf induction ranges alike, you'll have electric ovens that will feature their dual VertiFlow convection system that ensures perfect multi-rack cooking. It is essentially 2 fans and 4 heating elements working together to warm and evenly distribute the air, reducing hot and cold spots and enabling consistent baking, roasting, broiling, and more. And if anyone here is interested in viewing the full wattage breakdown for each of the professional ranges for each burner, I encourage you to pause the video and take a look at this here. The other induction ranges Wolf has are the transitional induction ranges. This is the first Wolf range without the signature red knobs. This appliance features a sleek, minimalist design. They come in both a 30 and 36-inch option with only one color and one handle option to choose from. Some differences from the Pro include the 7-inch touchscreen display and full color touch controls. This look and feel mimics the transitional and the minimalistic style perfectly well. On the control panel of the transitional induction ranges, you'll have a nicely integrated design, which will feature the standby mode. The display fades to black when not in use. No clock or additional lighting. Just a clean, sleek design. And if anyone here is interested in viewing the full wattage breakdown for the transitional burner of each range, I encourage you to pause the video and take a look at this here. Before we close, I wanted to share that all of Wolf induction ranges carry power levels plus boost modes that offer more temperature flexibility. You'll achieve faster boils and sears through an induction power boost. This boost mode can boil water 40% faster than gas or electric. You'll be able to transform 2 burners into one with the bridge feature. Place a griddle on one of the bridge areas and turn your cooktop into a larger workspace. Did you know that the 48-inch range has 2 bridging capabilities that you can utilize at the same time? With each passing year, Wolf continues to innovate and listen to its consumers, with quality being at the forefront. For example, they invested $10 million into their automated system to create their own chassis for their dual fuel and induction ranges. This investment allows them to make even more precise, high-quality components with no problems. And with their connected abilities using their Sub-Zero Group Homeowners app, you'll be able to remotely preheat the oven, select and switch cooking modes, adjust the oven's temperature, and so much more. If you're looking for an induction range, Wolf has to be considered. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more useful appliance content. Thanks for watching.